Hello everyone, I am Sunny. This is Foxton Refrigeration Factory. It's extremely hot today, you can guess. The outdoor temperature reaching 35 degrees Celsius. Now, let me show you how transparent ice balls are made. The process is very interesting. First, we fix large pieces of transparent ice on ice cutter and precisely cut them into the right size. Then, we place cut ice pieces onto the ice ball machine. These transparent ice balls are perfect for cold drinks and alcoholic beverages. They not only look great, but also melt slowly. That's all for today's sharing. If you need transparent ice balls, feel free to contact me, okay? Bye bye!